Today the high I think is 98. Um, so it's 10 after 9. We've got 100 ton or so down probably by now, and it's warm. But one thing people always say, man, I know it's hot in asphalt, and it is. It'll definitely make a man out of you, put hair on your chest, whatever you want to say. But one thing about it, when it is hot like this, I make it a point not to be in the air-conditioned truck if I don't have to be, or stopping paving and going and sitting inside somewhere and trying to cool down. To me, if I can stay out here in it from 6:30 in the morning until it gets good and hot, it just kind of creates that stamina where you can stand it a little bit better than having that major shock when you jump out of a truck and it's 100 degrees on a job site. It'll put you in the dirt real quick. Which I tell all the guys, make sure they're drinking. We provide ice, water, all that stuff for them, coolers on the trucks. So we push, hey, drink all you can. And we'll get to a point in the day, everybody be dragging. So we will just, at 1 or 2 o'clock, it may be to the point that we stop. If we're still doing a bunch of handwork at that point, your bodies just aren't made to do it. I mean, it's sometimes you're better off to call it a day early, keep your men safe, go home, try it again the next morning when it's a little cooler than you are to push them to death, and truly get somebody overheated out here. We've all been overheated at some point, or at least Barry and I have, Murdoch has. Once you get overheated that one time, it's like you're never the same after that. So I thought it was just people being old and telling me about that years ago, and now that I'm 42, it gets me too at certain times.